CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.10 Given a scenario, install and configure browsers and relevant security settings. Browser downloads. When downloading files through a browser or from the internet, it's important to be mindful of security to protect your computer. For starters, whenever possible, you should download files from websites you know and trust. These include official sites like Microsoft, Adobe, or other well-known platforms. When you download from these places, you can feel confident that the download file hasn't been tampered with. For example, if you need Adobe Reader, you should go directly to Adobe's website instead of a random download link you found online. This is because trusted sources significantly lower the risk of downloading something harmful. Now, what about untrusted sources? These are sites that might look legitimate but are unfamiliar or come from unknown links in emails or social media. Downloading files from these places is risky. Even if the file looks like what you wanted, it could be hiding malware, viruses, or spyware. So, if you're ever unsure about where a file is coming from, it's better to be safe and avoid downloading it. After downloading a file, there's an extra step you can take to ensure it's safe before installing it on your system. This is where hashing comes in. Hashing is a process that takes the contents of a file and runs it through a mathematical algorithm to create a unique string of characters, known as a hash or checksum. This hash is like a digital fingerprint, with no two files having the same hash unless their contents are exactly identical. Developers often provide this hash next to the download link on their website. Once you've downloaded the file, you can generate the hash on your computer and compare it to the one provided by the developer. If the two match, you know the file is exactly as it should be. But if the hash is different, that means something has changed. Maybe the file was corrupted during the download, or worse, tampered with by someone trying to add harmful code. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.